모여 걸로 벌어봐야 오면 네가 뭐왜 기에 놓자고야 So strict la như ta we are lớn nha
with him by his goodness. So this is telling us that Jesus took the punishment, he took the shame, he took the guilt on the cross, and he took all of the evil, bad things that we deserve, and then he gave us the gift of righteousness, and he gave to us the gift of reconciliation. And so when you got saved not because you did a bunch of I give you my soul.
This is the biggest one. In America, this is why we're losing every human being. Who came with that today? Suicide. You will not be the same. Say, I am the new creation. It's not who I am anymore. It's Christ who live in me. Amen? Read this Bible verse in Quran. So, I have taken you out from the darkness. Amen? Are you happy? Are you happy? You are the new creation. Amen? Amen? Come on, one more time.
If I do drunk, I do like smoke, alcohol. I don't care about God. Before I'm both done, but like every time people talk about God, right? I don't want to listen. I don't really care about God. So just devil, bro. Don't talk about me about God. I don't want to hear anything. Just get away from me. But after 2 months, right? I mean, one of my friends, he just talked about me. God, he said. Every time before you sleep, they pray. I'm praying. After I prayed 2 months, I said like I want to quit drum, right? After like 1 week and like one like some teacher, he come to go to like treatment, go quit drum. So this make me happy, like say, oh, it's real. And like one of my friend, he every time he come back to church, right? He called me. He said, "Let's go to church." I said, nah, before I quit drum, I said, every weekend, he said, come to church. I said, nah, I don't go to church, bro. I don't believe God said. He said, you sure about that, bro? I said, yes, I don't go to church. Just don't talk about God. But like, after I quit drum and I seen like video, right? One videos kind of like made me like, they just acted like Jesus, like, you know, like how people kill Jesus. And I see those videos, it kind of make me sad. But like, after I watched that video, I just cried. And I feel it. God like, but just tell me, you should not do those stuff no more. You should quit those and come back to me, my son. That's all God. I feel that every time in my dream, right? In my dream, I'm with Jesus, right? In my dream, the devil trying to play me. He said, he just acted like God. He come to my dream. He said, hey sir, come back to me. Hey sir, come back to me. And I said, you sure you're Jesus? He said, yes, I'm Jesus. After kind of like 3 minutes or something like that. After that, I don't believe, right? After that, he tried back to devil.
Take your time.
Like he trying to complain me, but like after 3 minutes, he just turned back to demon. So because I don't believe it, you know that. And he just come back to them. I know, like after I wake up, right? After I wake up, I just think about stuff. Why like if after I become someone, what they were trying to play with me, think about those. Lot of stuff. And like when quit doing work, a lot of my friends were trying to call me. They said, let's go smoke. So like, deep for people trying to come back, like, want to go back to deep. So they don't want to believe God. So they say, come back smoke, bro. Just don't believe God, because it's not faith. And like, what you believe God for, bro? In the sky. See, it's like, see, watching the video, they say, like, I don't care, I don't want to watch it, bro. Just don't talk about it. Don't call me, bro. I don't want to smoke. I don't want to do drugs. I don't want to do alcohol. Can I go to treatment? After I go to treatment, so I mean, some teacher like in the church, they just talk about it and listen to us, just to talk about it, like, you know, and just make me like feel before too. But like, and after I listen to just talk about it, like when after he go to like, yeah. After he come like, you talk about it, I just listen. It just like make me like in my mind, bro, like, you know.
Ni kama pwe kiene tako ya ma atoy thagima ma so sri ta ena hey ata lo ga do na ma su to ta si luna ma mu to ta su ta na look what's so sweet glad that we are alone now. Troyago saga, koka sunya, itafinya takuma ota. Minago saga, tambu tapu gosa, tambu duma siluna layata. Sri ta ena hey ata lo la no na ma su to ta si luna ma mu to ta su ta na le pa so sri kla ni ta wi ya lo na ma ato ya ta wi ma so sri ta ena so sweet glad that we are alone now. Look what's so sweet glad that we are alone now. Look what's so sweet glad.